Hey, do you remember this old one that goes, Mama's in the kitchen making beans. Daddy's in the living room reading magazines. Baby's in the high chair fast asleep. How many hours did baby sleep? And then we had this book that went with it, didn't we? Let's do the poem this time, but let's point to the book. Ready? Mama's in the kitchen making beans. Daddy's in the living room reading magazines. Baby's in the high chair fast asleep. How many hours did baby sleep? What are these pictures supposed to be of? If you said instruments, you're right. And this one up here, what instrument is that? Ah, you're right, tambourine. Ready? Mama's in the kitchen making beans. How many tambourine plays did we do? Yeah, 4, because there's 4 tambourines. What's that thing supposed to be? Wood block, you're right. Let's say those. Ready, go. Daddy's in the living room reading magazines. What are those? Were you thinking hand drum? Ready, go. Baby's in the high chair fast asleep. Yep, 4 of those as well. And then finally, what's the last one? Cowbell. You got it. No ringer. Here's my mallet. Ready, go. How many hours did baby sleep? Well, the problem is, you probably don't have all these instruments at home, do you? So figure out what you could use for the tambourine. Yeah, you could just make a sound. You don't have to actually get something. Then you could use a different sound for this, and a different sound, and a different sound. How many sounds do you need? Yes, 4 different ones. So you figure out what you're going to do, press pause, and then come back. Okay, you got it figured out? Ready, I'll say the poem and point. You do the sounds. Good luck. Ready, go. Mama's in the kitchen making beans. Daddy's in the living room reading magazines. Baby's in the high chair fast asleep. How many hours did baby sleep? This time at the end of it, by the way, how'd it go? Good? Good. This time at the end of it, let's figure out how many hours should the baby have slept? 8. Let's start with 8. 8's always a good number. Okay, get your sounds ready. I'll point. Ready, set, go. Mama's in the kitchen making beans. Daddy's in the living room reading magazines. Baby's in the high chair fast asleep. How many hours did baby sleep? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now you could do it again with your family, and you could decide how many hours the baby sleeps. Maybe give each person a different turn to tell you the number. And then I was going to say, then you make the instrument sounds. Just have fun.